Okay, in week 2, you did a project, and the project is for the local park district. You're helping to promote the 5th annual e-waste drop-off event. The head of public relations has created a document with details of the event. You will format the document to one page, and you will add formatting a clipboard image, a table, a shape with text, and a photo to enhance the text. Now here it gives you the description on what to do. Now, if you have done that, for the week 3 project let me show you, you should have something like this right here. If you have something like this, right, all you have to do is 4 of you, the team, each of you, take what you have, all 4 of you. So this is going to be your final product here is going to be this, right? For the project, what you're going to do, you're going to open Word, which I'm showing you how to do here, new, okay, Word, and you're going to paste, you're going to paste the document that I had open. So you're going to copy all of this, copy, go to Word, and paste it here, right, the first paste. So here's one, and you're going to do this for somebody else, right? You're going to do another one and another one. You're going to do one page for each of your team. So the second team may have some other things here, right here in this area, and they may have some other items. And the third member can have a different list of items, and they can be the same as well. It does not make any difference. Okay, so you are pasting one of this for each team member in your project, right? So once you have done that, that's one file that you have to submit. So each team member, you're going to put something like this is for John Doe, and here is the document, the e-waste, and then you're going to do another one and another one and another one and another one for each team member. Once you have done that, there is a template for you to do that. You did that already in week 2. I don't know if you remember the template. I'm opening it here, right? What can you, there's your template, right? You probably have that already, right? So now what you need to do, you need to open Excel. Okay, I'm opening Excel. You're going to open Excel, this one. Now you're going to put in column 1, you're going to put name, right? Name, column 1, you're going to say name. Oh, I think I put in the item description. And if you look at what I said on eCollege already, let me go back to it and show it to you. So in eCollege, I'm going to eCollege right now. Right, I am in eCollege, and I'm going to show you the screen in 1 second. So I'm logging in so that I can log in safely here. So I'm logging in. Okay. It takes a second to load. Don't stop watching. Okay, not sure. Well, here is why it's taking so long, but it should load. Here it's loading finally. Okay, so if you go to eCollege and you look at your section, and I'm bringing it on the screen, there is an announcement. So one person we need to be responsible for collecting all those projects. What do I mean by projects is these brochure that you made, these e-waste. Okay, so you're going to have at least 4 of those. Okay, once you have done that, one person will be responsible for that, and that person is going to paste all of them into one document. Okay, that's part 2. Okay, part 3, you're going to use Excel right here, and you're going to have the first column is going to be team member name, and the second one will be item description, and the third one will be quantity. Okay, does that make sense so far? Now, what we're going to do, right, you're going to say, let's say John Smith as an example, keyboard, collected 10 during the e-waste event. Old monitor, John Smith collected mouse 5. Okay. Then the next person, Elizabeth, collected old printer 2. Okay, so then that's what you turn in as the team project. Each person needs to send me one, even though it is going to be the same for all the members of the same team. So that's all you have to do, and that will, it's not complicated, and I realize the instructions are a little confusing, but that's all you have to do. I hope this helps. So at the end of the day here, you're going to turn in this Excel spreadsheet, and you're going to turn in 4 of these or 5 of these, depending on how many team members you have. I mean, all of you probably will have the same, almost the same thing, because you're using the template. It's okay if all of you have the same thing. There's not a whole lot of changes you have to make here. Okay? And how do you communicate with your team? You send them email just like you send me email. Now, alternatively, you can do this by yourself. I mean, we run into this every year, every session, that people do not answer to email, team members do not answer, and so on and so forth. So if you run into this problem, you can turn just one of those in, and your Excel spreadsheet will have just one name right here. Will have just one name, and that's it. That's all you have to do. And I will know that your team members did not participate. You don't have to do anything else. You just turn in just your name here and what you collected after the event, and then you're done. That's it. Okay? So I hope this answers your question.